What's up guys, it's me Larsa. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is a very impromptu video. The thing is, I posted this picture a few days ago on my Instagram and everybody loved it. I've always loved these projector pictures. I think they're super innovative and also they speak so much through just a photo. And I really wanted to try it. I have a mini projector at home. I thought I could absolutely try it out at least. The ones that I posted on Instagram, those were trial pictures and they still looked fine. So I thought of giving it a shot and creating some more photographs using the projector. So if you're watching this video, it means that it has been a success. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first one has to be of me with letters all over my body. So maybe on my back. I saw this picture on Pinterest and absolutely inspired by that. I'm not taking any credit for it because I have no experience at all with projector photography. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my own words to the picture, project it onto my body. Okay, so I have my Photoshop file ready. It's literally some caption of mine on Instagram and I'm going to project this onto the wall. Okay, so we are in my closet right now and that is the reason I look yellow and red because of the lights here. So this is the wall. So this is the projector I have. It's a tiny one and it's not as powerful as the ones that usually are used for projector pictures, but this works absolutely fine. The projector is on, my camera is here. So here it is, it's here on the wall. I had to struggle a little bit, but we are finally successful. Okay, now that the setup is done, I am going to change into something. Okay guys, so I am dressed in this beautiful white dress, backless. So I think this should do. The problem right now is that I don't have anybody to click my pictures. So I have the camera on the tripod, but I can't connect it to my phone because my phone is giving away the hotspot to the projector and it needs it. So I can't connect it to the camera at the same time. So I have to put it on timer and that's going to be hard. That's going to be really weird. Okay guys, the picture that I just took, the first shot we just tried is intense. I can actually use that and post it on my Instagram and it's going to be great. But we're going to try some more because we always look out for perfection. Look at that behind me. I cannot believe these pictures are coming out so good. Next photo for today is a blue and pink sky. Complete fail. I think the picture is a fail. Okay guys, next up we're gonna try something aesthetic, retro-ish. The blue one failed because I told you colors can be a little difficult to work with, especially because this projector is small, so there's not enough light falling on your face. Okay, I think this one should work. I really love the sun effect. So this is the second day of doing this projector shoot and I have my best friend with me. It'll be better if someone is there to hold the camera and take the pictures and focus at the same time, you know, instead of me connecting to the camera and taking pictures. So today what we're going to do is not just taking my pictures, I will also be taking her photographs. Yes. So let's get into the actual process of doing this right. So we have a few pictures that we have shortlisted. Actually, we have a lot of pictures. I'm going to first start off with Shraddha. This background right now, and I am behind the vlogging camera and I have my DSLR. I'm going to take some pictures of Shraddha right now. Like, put your hand in your hair. This side? Both. Oh. इतना वो साइड मत जा, तेरे सिर के पीछे वो सर्कल आना है। I just want like a portrait for this one. Wait. Oh. Okay, let's see how.
Hold it. 3 months.
And similarly, with a lot of trial and error, we created so many more pictures, which was so much fun to do, but so tiring. What's up, Shraddha? How was your experience?
I'm so tired.
We're so tired. Like
It's just something that we didn't
it's
get.
so difficult. Like
we
that.
got some pictures, but
Yeah, we just
Not
got
the one.
some, but then how we were visualizing it's not happening. But I think that's about what it is. I mean,
Yeah.
it's a very difficult thing to do.
yeah, it's an experiment, so you know.
Yeah, you
we'll try
learn
it.
and learn and learn from your failures.
Yeah.
And I've had like 4 failures from these photo shoots.
I think it's not that bad. Like we've got some pictures.
Yeah, not. I mean, not
Not
like
like-
satisfied.
But, yeah. Not like sensational photos, but
Yeah,
we.
not like too happy. We were so excited that we would
yeah,
nail
but
it.
I think we'll get it.
Alright. Anyway, this was a fun video. It was a fun experiment, and I hope you like this video. If you do, give this a big thumbs up. And if you like Shraddha's presence, also give it a big thumbs up. And leave your comments below. Tell me which picture was your favorite. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.